Thank you for the heartwarming message, Gabriel Ivan. FEU Roosevelt Rodriguez is proud of you. To introduce our commencement speaker, may we call on his former classmate in high school.
Even to the person seated beside you. This momentous occasion is not only for you but also for them. Also, sabihin mo naman dyan sa katabi mo, congrats, you made it. Kindly take your seats, graduates. It is truly a honor.
Region 4A and the Board of Trustees of FE Roosevelt, I hereby confer upon you your respective senior high school diplomas with all the rights and privileges appertaining thereto. Congratulations, and you may now move your tassels from right to left. Congratulations.
Hello, Agas, with honors. Rich E.C. Bocolina, with honors.
State your name. As a member of FEU Roosevelt Rodriguez Alumni Association, do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge the duties inherent in our organization. Congratulations, candidates.
May we call on Francine Hale F. Dizon with high honors to lead our graduates as they recite their pledge of loyalty to FEU Roosevelt Rodriguez.
Please raise your right hand. As a graduate, I promise to hold my diploma with untarnished honor and to commit myself to the service and glorification of my community, my alma mater, my country, and my God.
The exit of colors. Dear parents and guests, you may take your seat.
As we move on from this chapter of our lives, I encourage each one of us to remember the lessons we've learned and experiences we've shared. To all my fellow graduates, I congratulate you on this amazing accomplishment.
Whom you dedicated your whole life to. We assure you that these graduates are now stronger and better kids than who they were years back, ready to face new challenges awaiting them with resilience, competence, and integrity. May we invite you to listen to Class of 2025's graduation song. Galazzo, greeting out our graduates and their parents. Congratulations and a lovely day ahead. Ladies and gentlemen, the recessional. Requesting all the faculty and staff to proceed here on stage for the picture taking.